This is just a video for those of you who don't know how to set an automatic watch. I know I come across this issue a lot. So right here, a Breitling by Bentley with a screw-in crown. It's pretty simple. Once you hear that pop, you're just going to give the watch about 30 winds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's pretty much it. It'll start running right there. That's the seconds hand right there. One pull out is to change your date, and second pull out is to change the time. And make sure once you're done, you push everything all the way back in. Go ahead and secure your crown. If not, it won't be as water resistant as it should be. It could possibly damage your watch. Also, be sure not to overwind the watch, because if you overwind it, you can actually mess up the movement. Start, stop, reset. Thanks for watching.